In Florida, we are the Sunshine State. We are the home of thousands of plant species and animal species statewide. As a gardener myself, and as a steward of plants, I have a special appreciation for Earth and its natural resources. Earth is our home, and I want to care for it. I love this planet and admire its beauty. There's a problem with invasive species here in Florida. There are over 1,000 invasive species in Florida. From the brown anole to the Brazilian pepper tree, we must control these plants or lose our native wildlife's beauty. Another issue is cutting down trees without replanting. I hate seeing big companies tear down forests. This phenomenon is commonly called deforestation, and it displaces many species like black bears, which now are seen around neighborhoods and residential areas, which poses a danger to anyone who's outside, like gardeners, runners, and people just walking to and from school every day. For example, my neighborhood has become so urbanized, we see deer and wildlife walking around during the middle of the day. However, we can change the world for the better, and it doesn't have to start nationwide. It can just start in our local communities. By recycling, by reusing, and upcycling materials, we can reduce what resources we use. By using the gray water from around the house to water plants, by making gardens and landscapes Florida-friendly, using plant peels and vegetable peels to make fertilizer and compost, and upcycling otherwise useless materials into useful items for everyday life. All of us here in Florida can feel the impact of nature. From farmers markets to forests, we can all help change the world for the better, or feel the consequences if we don't. But we can band together to change the world, and that's why I'm hopeful for the future.